Research shows design changes can influence sales by up to 38% even without product change. Sound, lighting, and smell directly affect how customers behave inside a commercial space. Kapag tama ang lighting, mas relax ang tao at mas tumatagal sila. Tulad ng paggamit ng warm ambient lighting sa dining areas instead of harsh white lights. Proper sound control such as acoustic ceilings, panel, or soft wall finishes reduces stress and makes conversations comfortable. Subtle scent cues combined with good ventilations that prevent kitchen or restroom odors from spreading create familiarity and trust. Study shows these factors can increase dwell time by up to 28% and boost sales by as much as 38%. Kapag mali ang design, kabaligtaran ang nangyari. Harsh lighting, noisy spaces, at poor ventilation cause frustration. Customers leave earlier. Some even rage quit and never return. That lost visit means lost revenue and higher vacancy risk. Good commercial design is not decoration. It is a business tool that protects income and improves performance. For more smart property design, follow architect Brendan Enrico.